Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to restrict certain words from appearing in your Facebook page. Okay, sometimes when you run an ad, people are fond of coming under the ad to post ridiculous comments. It's even possible that you run an ad, maybe you want to sell a particular product, and then your potential customers will come under that ad and begin to ask questions like, how much does it cost? How can I get one? Where's your location, stuff like that. And then you can see an external body, somebody you don't even know from Adam, comes under your comment and replies to those people. To get this product, call my number on so and so. Okay, and they put their own phone number there, and then there's a chance that they can carry out that transaction behind you. Okay, so first of all, there is a risk that they can scam your potential customers and ruin your brand or spoil your name. And also, there's a possibility that they have that product, they make the transactions, you are paying for the ads, but then they make the transaction behind you and they get paid. So I'm going to show you how to stop all of that in a few minutes. So let's get right to it. First of all, you log into your Facebook, and then this is the page I want to restrict those words under. So when you log in, you select the page instead of the user. So right here, I don't want to see your profiles. I just want the page that I want to apply this to. So you select this page, you click on it, and then when the page opens up like that, you go to manage. Click on manage, and when you come here, you see all of these tools that you can use to manage your page. Okay, so I'm going to show you in subsequent videos. I'll show you what to do with most of this, but for today, we are going to use the moderation assist. So somebody will say, yeah, what is comment manager doing here? No, comment manager is basically used for I don't want to say managing comments, but that's what it's used for. So you basically use it to view, read comments, reply to those comments, in a kind of very fast fashion. So it's not used for what we want to do right now. What we want to do is done with moderation assist. So you want to moderate the kind of things that people post as comments under your post or under your ad. So we hit moderation assist, and then you get all of this notification. You read. Let's go. Okay, so when we come here, Facebook is now asking us, let's assign a moderation and all of those. Okay, so what we want to do here is, if any one of these criteria is met, the comment will be automatically hidden. So you have to enter, you have to choose the criteria by which you want comments to be hidden. Okay, so there are different criteria. Okay, so if I click on add to choose the criteria, you see that do you want to remove a comment that from somebody who has no friends or followers? Okay, or if the person is a new account, or the person has no profile picture, or the person is a repeat offender, blah blah blah. But what we want today is we want to restrict certain keywords in comment, right? So if a particular comment has a certain keyword, we want to stop that comment from showing up on that page. So I hit this, and then they ask me, Facebook asked me to provide those words. Okay, so I click this. The comment has certain keywords. I click here, and then I get room to provide those keywords. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can provide those words. One of the ways is slower than the other, but I'm going to show you both ways so that you can choose which one you want. So for instance, if I want to stop people from saying call me or call us on, if I want to stop people from advertising their products under my ad or from trying to divert my customers, I can simply come here and put call, hit enter. So if I do this, any comment that has call in it, no matter how long the comment is, if it has call, or it has if the person tries to be shady, maybe instead of call they put C, they put a number and LL, Facebook will still track it and hide that comment, right? They will not delete the comment automatically. They will just hide it for me to go and review. If I review it and I want it to be shown, I can show it, and if I don't want it to be shown, I can delete it, I can block the user, I can do whatever I want to do with it, right? So I can block call, I can block phrase like colors as well. So when you finish typing the particular word or phrase, you hit enter. Okay, if there's another, if I say phone, right, if the person wants a phone number, put their phone number, I can block this word as well. I can say number, right? So you just list it out like this, and then you go back here, you see that it's showing that you have 4 words already, and then I can add this to my moderation assist, right? This is one way that you can add these words to your moderation assist. Another way, which is a very, very, very fast way, is that you can develop a CSV file, right? You can develop a CSV file. I'm going to go ahead and close one of these so that I have room. I've created a CSV file with my Excel sheet so I can list all the words that I don't want to show on my page. You can just write them here, and then I can add more words. Let's say I add still, anything, basically anything you want to add, anything you don't want to show up. When you add all of them here, you go to File, you go to Save As. Then let me save this to my documents. Good. Let me save this to my document, and then I want to call this restricted words. Okay, I already have a restricted words there, so let me call this restricted words 2. And then you save it as a CSV, as a comma separated file, right? You save it as CSV, you save. Okay, so once that is saved, you can now come here, right? When you come to add keywords in comment, right? Select here. Instead of typing those words individually here, I can now hit this, right? When you click on this option, you see upload from CSV. The moment I come here and I select this is the restricted words 2 that we just worked on. The moment I select this, it's going to populate this place with all the words. Okay, it's going to populate with all the words, and then I can go back, add to moderation assist. See, I already have 31 words there, and I'm sure that if any comment has any of those words that I have added here, the comment is going to be hidden until I review and either delete or decide that I want to show it. Thank you very much. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more. Thank you.